Hello John, in this tutorial we are going to be talking about the style tag, and you are going to be learning how you are going to be adding CSS style inside your HTML code. Well, let's create a new file and then we can just name it style tag, and then I open this up inside my code editor. Let's quickly do that. Don't need this second file. Don't need this. Don't save. I just need to close this sidebar and I open up my index.html. Index.html. What next? I click on Shift and 1 to bring out my HTML document structure, and I quickly change this to styling. Well, if you have been watching my previous tutorial, you definitely know I've talked about styles and then HTML. Well, as I said previously, if you have watched my previous YouTube videos when I talk about the link attribute, you see I talked about how you can link your external CSS to your HTML, which sometimes you may not want to. You may not want to create an external file for your CSS. You definitely maybe want to write it inside your HTML document and then see the output. To do that, there's a style tag. So the style tag instead of the script tag is added at the top, just like the way the link attribute is added at the top of it's nested inside the head tag. So we have a style tag where you can add your CSS, and then this is a tag, this is style, and it actually have an opening and closing tag. As you can see, this is a style opening tag and this one is a style closing tag. Inside here you can nest your CSS code as you want, your CSS code. Well, why is this showing me red? You see it's underlying something in red, and then at the top we are having red because this is not a code. I just want to specify to you that you can do that. Then I believe you have understand what I mean. If you doesn't understand much, let me explain better. I mentioned earlier that when using the link tag, you can link to an external styling. But what if in a scenario you don't want to link, you don't want to create a new file for CSS, you just definitely want to write a little bit of CSS inside HTML to preview what you have written. So you can use the style tag, open it, and then write all your CSS code here, nest it inside the style tag, and you are good to go. Well, if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.